Welcome back to another episode of Johnny Truckin' Outdoors. My name is John, and I want to thank every single one of you guys who's watched me over the last year. This day is the day I'm going to celebrate my 1-year anniversary here on the channel. I'm currently out salmon fishing. I'm using skein. You'll see my rod set up over there. And I just drove about 2 hours south out to this location last night and camped out for the night. And I'm going to try to catch a salmon and then cook it up on the back of the truck and camp out for the night. It is snowing out here. It's cold. Should be an awesome time. Stay tuned.
Time is of the essence. You just went left.
That a while ago.
Yep. Good job.
Get him. Got him.
Good job. Yeah, buddy.
Fish on, guys. I got a fish on. Wow, that's awesome, dude. Yeah, buddy. That's an awesome coho jack.
On the floor. That's all right.
Hey guys, just caught this beautiful coho jack out there. Completely swallowed it. It's a beautiful fish. We'll be cooking it up this evening. Stay tuned. Oh, we're going to cast this out there. Fish! Fish, fish, fish! Fish on! Oh yeah, he tried it. Nice. There's a nice coho jack right there. Really beautiful. Right in the middle. Hey guys, just landed another coho jack. You'll see I'm using skein, hooked him right in the corner of his mouth. Worked extremely well. Catch another one. This one? Yeah. Sweet. Yep. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Fighting well. Nice.
Yeah, you got my line.
Do I got your rig?
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh! Man, I just lost that. Did I get you?
No, I was hoping he didn't get you.
Yeah, I'll try and catch the thing.
No, we're good.
I just lost that too. Man.
Was it a good one?
Yeah, that was a good one. This is my setup, treble hook. I think this is called a locker plug or something else. Styrofoam to help keep your skein up in the water column. It's a swivel, pyramid weight, around 12 pounds to a 10-pound leader. That's all you need. Well, I'm going to go ahead and gut out that salmon real quick. I'm going to just use a pair of scissors here. Just because that works well for me. Now that salmon is perfectly clean and ready to get cooked up. I'm gonna probably flay it up. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and cook up this coho. And this is called Jack. It's smaller than the normal size coho. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get it flayed up first. Probably just take cook it out or something.
Some good looking meat.
We can go ahead and season these fish real quick with 5 salt, 5 pepper. And we'll lay them in the pepper. Oh, so what I'm going to do now is take a piece of lemon and stick it directly on top of that salmon. Let all those juices run down through the meats and everything else. And I'm going to take some fresh dill, stick that right on top.
Looks good, John.
Should look just like that. So what I'm going to do now is take a plate, stick it directly above.
Limit's 5, so we got 10.
What that's going to do is going to keep that steam in there, let it cook all across the top, and it's going to become a lot more tender.
Wait and put some oil over this. Something more.
Oh, this is so delicious. Falls apart in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. And just imagine, this morning it was swimming around and we caught it. Hey guys, just finished that salmon. I need to clean up the back of the truck. It's slightly a mess after I just cleaned that fish there. But thank you guys for following my YouTube channel and my adventures out on the road, catch, clean, cooks, hunting, fishing, everything else outdoors. I appreciate you guys, especially all my loyal fans and subscribers and everyone else. I just want to say thank you back to you. I'm really looking forward to what this next year has to hold on my channel. Good celebration. I bought some cheesecake. Here in a second, I'm going to have a piece and then we'll hit the road and camp out for the night. Well, this certainly looks delicious. Go for a grab a piece if you want.
Thank you.
Just plain and pork there. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hop in the back of the truck. Camp out for the night. It's awesome back here. Let me go ahead and hop in. Well, looks a little cozy, a little dark in here. But I'll get into bed, get some sleep. Well, guys, as always, I'm going to head off to sleep, and I'll be up first thing in the morning. Good night, guys. Well, I just woke up this morning. It's about 7:30 this morning. I got a bunch of sleep. We had a bunch of snow and hail and other stuff last night, but I'm gonna hop up, hit the road. Yeah, give you guys a peek of what it looks like outside. Lots of snow. It's cold. I don't have a heater on right now, but 7:03 in the morning, I'm gonna hop up and jump on the road. I want to thank you guys again for watching my videos, subscribing, staying tuned, all my fans. There's a bunch of you guys that have gone above and beyond commenting on my channel. I'm really looking forward to what this new year has to come and the adventures and where my life takes me. So stay tuned. And as always, stay outdoors, stay amazing. I'll see you guys on my next episode. I'm gone. Yeah. Got a bunch of sleep last night. Yeah, buddy.